Good day everyone, I am Ira Costales, your student nurse that's going to perform a cold compress to my patient. So first step, you are going to verify your client using the 3 identifiers. So, good day ma'am, I am Ira Costales, your student nurse for today's procedure. Can I know your name, age, and your birthday?
Stephanie Jolie Willoughby, 19 years old. November 23, 2006.
Thank you, ma'am. And after you verify your client, you are going to check or verify the doctor's order para alam mo kung ano yung dapat lang na i-perform sa pasyente na to. And after you check and verify the doctor's order, you are going to review the chart of our patient para malaman mo kung ano yung mga contraindications sa patient na to. And after that, you are going to assess the patient's skin. So, ma'am, i-assess ko lang po yung skin nyo. After you assess the patient skin, you are going to assess the client awareness po. So, assess the client awareness and you are going to say na din po yung mga expected outcomes and yung sensation na mararamdaman po ng pasyente natin sa procedure. So, ma'am, in this procedure po is, ang mararamdaman nyo lang po lamig at wala naman pong pain na mararamdaman. So, if ever po na may maramdaman kayong pain sa procedure natin, i-report nyo na lang po immediately sa akin. Thank you po. And after that, you are going to check the vital signs of your patient para po ma-compare natin sa before po gawin yung procedure and then after po natin gawin yung procedure. And then after that, you are going to provide privacy to our patient. So, ma'am, okay lang po ba sa inyo na i-close natin yung curtains para sa privacy niyo? Okay po. And after that, you are going to position your patient na malapit po sa inyo para po ma-avoid na din yung strain ng nurse pag ginagawa po yung procedure. So, ma'am, puposition ko lang po kayo dito sa malapit. Pwede po kayong inuso. So, thank you po. And then, after you position your patient, you are going to perform hand hygiene and wear PPE. So after you perform hand hygiene and wear PPE, you are going to place a towel sa baba po ng paa na i-cold compress niyo po. So, i-place ko lang po itong towel sa baba po ng paa po ninyo. Excuse me po, ma'am. Tas lang po, ma'am. And after po natin i-place yung towel doon sa baba po ng paa kung saan natin i-apply yung cold compress, kukunin nyo na po yung towel na gagamitin nyo for cold compress and then you are going to ibababad na po natin to doon sa basin po. Then, after po natin ibabad, i-squeeze yun lang po para matanggal po yung excess water na. And for applying naman po, you are going to apply it and mold po natin siya. And after that, you are going to repeat lang po yung step. Ibababad nyo lang po ulit and then tatanggalin yung excess water and then apply and mold. And after that, you are going to remove or you are going to check muna yung skin niya if meron bang mga unexpected outcomes nung ginawa nyo yung pag-apply ng cold compress. And after that, you are going to remove yung towel na nasa baba po ng paa ng pasyente natin. So, excuse me lang po, ma'am. And remember po, if merong problem po na nakita, yung procedure po is i-stop po natin siya agad. And after that, you are going to remove your gloves. And then, perform hand hygiene. And then, you are going to position na po yung patient nyo into comfortable position. So, ma'am, pwede na po tayong umusog. sa comfortable position dito. After that, you are going to papadescribe nyo po yung nararamdaman ng pasyente ninyo after nyo gawin yung cold compress. So, ma'am, meron po ba kayong ibang nararamdaman ngayon? Okay lang po ba yung sugat nyo? Masakit po ba?
Wala na.
Okay. After that, you are going to document na yung naging procedure nyo dito sa pag-apply ng cold compress sa patient nyo, and you are going to report it sa physician niya. And that's today we are going to perform applying hot compress to our patient. So first, you are going to verify your or identify your patient using 3 identifiers. So ma'am, I am Ira Costales, your student nurse for today's procedure. May I know your name, age, and your birthday?
Stephanie Joy David, 19 years old, November 23, 2006.
Thank you, ma'am. So, for verification po, may I look at your wristband po? Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much po. And then, after you identify your patient, you are going to verify the doctor's orders para malaman mo kung gaano ba kainit yung kailangan mo lang i-apply sa pasyente mo. And yung mga orders pa na need mong gawin dito sa pasyente mo para ma-apply mo siya ng maayos through verifying the doctor's order. And after that, you are going to check your patient's chart para malaman mo din kung ano yung mga contraindications of your patient. And after that, you are going to assess the skin of your patient. So ma'am, I'm going to assess your skin and tataas ko lang po yung pants nyo para ma-assess ko po ng maayos. Thank you. Excuse me. Okay, thank you ma'am. And after you assesses the skin of your patient, you are going to explain the procedure to your patient and explain the procedure and the expected outcomes and the awareness for your patient. So ma'am, may idea po ba kayo kung ano pong procedure yung gagawin natin ngayon? So, okay po. For today's procedure po ma'am, we are going to do the hot compress po or pag-apply ng hot compress sa sugat po ninyo para po mabawasan po yung pag-swell po ng sugat and redness po ng sugat. In this procedure po, this is not gonna cause you harm po, pero if ever po na nakaramdam po kayo ng sakit, i-report nyo lang po immediately sa akin. Thank you po. And after you explain the procedure that you are going to do to your patient, you are going to gather the equipments that you are going to use. So, here are all the equipments. We have the heat compress, and then the towel, the alcohol, and then the gloves. And then after you gather your equipments, you are going to provide privacy to your patient. So, ma'am, okay lang po ba sa inyo isarado yung curtains para po sa privacy po ninyo? Okay, thank you po. And then after that, you are going to position your patient na malapit sa inyo para po ma-prevent po yung strain all throughout the procedure. So, ma'am, pwede po pumasok dito sa may malapit. Okay. Thank you so much po. And then after you position your patient, you are going to perform hand hygiene and wear PPE. And then after you perform hand hygiene and wear your PPE, you are going to place a towel or wet pad sa paa po na pag-apply nyo ng hot compress para po pag may nag-spill po is hindi po siya mapunta sa bed ng pasyente. So mami, i-apply ko lang po to sa may, ilalagay ko lang po to sa may paa po ninyo kung sa tayo mag-apply. Excuse me po ma'am. Mataas po ma'am. Thank you po. And after that, you are going to apply na yung heat compress doon sa wound ng pasyente po natin. So, after applying, so in applying po, this is 10 to 20 minutes lang po and 2 hours interval lang po yung pag-apply po nito. And after yung gawin or i-apply itong heat compress, you are going to reassess your patient kung ano po yung naramdaman niya sa procedure. So ma'am, meron po ba kayong ibang naramdaman nung in-apply ko po yung heat compress sa wound nyo? Nasaktan po ba kayo?
Wala po.
Okay po. If merong problem na nakita throughout the applying, we are going to stop the procedure immediately. And after that, you are going to obtain a vital signs para to ma-compare nyo yung vital signs nyo before kayo mag-apply sa after po ninyo mag-apply ng heat compress. And after po ninyo malaman kung ano yung mga unexpected outcomes or after nyo ini-reassess yung pasyente nyo, you are going to document na kung ano po yung mga outcomes po ng ginawa po ninyong procedure, and then you are going to report it to the physicians. So that's all. Thank you so much.